Today I am just on this lawnmower. I'm gonna turn this key, but I better not. I'm gonna accidentally start something. Ugh. Slow guy. I'm just back at this church garage door. Woo! Let me show you all the controls. This lawnmower is a John Deere L110, 17.5 HP OHV. Woo. Okay, let me show it to you guys. It's right here, so you can see it. Right there, yeah. Okay, this, let's see here, there's the brake. Push that. Not sure what this is, probably just part of the mower. This is a key to start it. Just turn it like this. Turn it like this, but I'm not gonna start it yet. It's from Stone and Steam. Josh Medina, 812-634-11717. John Deere. And this right here would be the gas pedal. You press this in and you can see gas. That's how you go. And look. The seats are actually quite comfortable. Yeah, this ain't a bad mower. If only I could drive this. I'd have to see if it's okay if I can borrow it. I can use it to cut the church grass. Oh, look at that, folks. Farm Tough, that's a chainsaw. Oh my gosh, I want to wait till I get older to use that. They're very dangerous. Okay, Steel FS 90R. Lower, there's Steel FS 84 7R, and there's a pushing lawnmower. I'm gonna get that this spring so I can use that to cut my grass. I'm not gonna get this mower, but I'm gonna get that push mower exactly like that. Well, not that mower. I'm gonna buy something at the store exactly alike. I won't be stealing lawn to use that, but ooh, they're really working me over there. And this is danger. You see the warning, danger and warning. If you want to tip over, that'd be very bad. Yeah, and get run over a kid. You have to avoid that. And yeah, that's pretty much everything. Flyers. That's not interesting. And I want to show you. Look back here. See? That is the engine. Kohler Coleman 17.5. Notice. Charges. FGR pickup. Notice. Charges for pickup and or delivery and services calls are not covered by warranty. There's a green thing that shows you right there. Yeah, there's the engine. Oh, you see that? Oh. I didn't mean to do that. I'm sorry. My bad. You see that? This? That's what you used to put. Oh, sorry. That's what you used to put gas in it. Well, that's pretty much everything. What's this? Oh, this front thing is a horn. I guess it'll only work if the lawnmower is on. And then, yeah, it's to turn left and right, you do left. To turn right, you go right. Now, if you want to go backwards and forwards, there's a way to do that. You see this? You just put it in like this. You see the right there, the turtle. Do that for slow. Do this for medium. You see the rapid there. You do that for fast. I don't see anything on here for reverse. Oh, here. You see this thing? This is for forwards and reverse. You see, here's forwards, and here's reverse. You see? Now, some things are usually supposed to have a thing you go back like this and go reverse, but I guess this just has something. You can go forwards. Oh, here's reverse. Back like this. And forwards. And yes, I also want to show you the cutting blade system. It goes like this. Oh, the wheel's up to 13. Okay. Anyway, I guess that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Goodbye. You see, you just move the blade one forward. 1, 2. Cutting inch. Should probably leave it up there. You see, that's the height of what you want to cut your mower blade with. Get it? And that's pretty much, ouch, everything. And yes, you want to know what that's for? This yellow thing? Hey, the mower turns. This goes down. You see the wheels? That's how you can turn on the mower. That yellow thing, folks, it protects anything from touching the blade. Because if anybody tries to get there, they could have their hand or leg or foot or something cut off, and that would toes or fingers, and that wouldn't be bad. Cut off, and that wouldn't be good. You never want to put your hand in there, okay, folks? Because it would be cut off if you did. It's very dangerous. You get that? Never put your hand under there, okay? Yellow thing? Okay, well, that's good. Yes, go and check out John Deere. It's probably one of the best lawn mowers that they have now on the market. They have the most comfortable seats. And yeah, I think maybe this year I'm gonna get a new lawnmower, one of those push ones. We've expanded our church parking lot up here, and I'm gonna get it so I can cut my grass this year. Because I'm good at lawn care. You get that? Okay. Well, that's it, folks. If you love this video, that's it. Goodbye. That's it, folks. If you love this video, please hit like and subscribe down in the comments because you love this video so much. Okay, and don't forget I'm super interested in lawnmowers. So thanks for watching, and that was John Deere L110. That's it. And thanks for watching, and anyway, because of me, please don't forget this was my videos. That's it. And don't forget what you left first. Okay, I'll turn it off. They're gonna sing happy birthday somebody. That's it. Anyway, this is me making videos about. That's it. We're having hangouts. So that's it. Bye, folks. Woo! Goodbye.